straight up and over the gate too. Alrighty guys, here's the shot. Basically, we're gonna go through this tunnel. The way I will set this shot up is first we're gonna lock our focus so we can get it set here, and I'm gonna do about there. Once I have it set, I'm just gonna put the gimbal in lock mode and just walk straight in. I'm gonna go down to waist level. Straight in like that. Now we got a lot darker in here, and lock it and go. Doing a little bit of a ninja lock there. Let's go straight up and over the gate too. Boom. Quick tip, how to get a cool little cinematic shot using your gimbal. I'm using the Zohyan Smooth 4. Again, just using the stock camera app. I use the gimbal in lock mode this time. If you guys want to see more videos like that, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.